Hi there, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use brand intelligence and set up your own brand kit that generates on-brand layouts for your store every single time. So this is a layout I've created with the brand kit enabled. And this is a layout with the exact same prompt that was generated without the brand kit. So it's a big difference with a lot of impact and it's pretty easy to set up. So let's dive into it. In the AI chat, we can click on the control icons and right here we can set up our brand kit. So let's click on it. A message will be sent to the instant agent and then it will ask us if we want to point to a URL or create a brand kit from scratch. From scratch meaning that you can describe what you want, and with a URL we simply give the URL of our own store or point to a store that we like. In this example, let's say I have a URL and click on apply. Now we can give the URL. So for this example, we will work with seed.com, a beautiful looking store with a nice brand. So let's copy the URL and then paste it right here into the chat. Now the AI agent will search this website and extract all the information we need to create a brand kit. And there we have it. It made the analysis. It also checked out the website, as we can see right here. And there's a small note saying that seed.com uses a custom font. And this isn't on Google font, so it will be mapped to the closest Google font there is. Then it asks us if we like specific things about this brand, the typography, the tone of voice, the colors. Let's just say nothing, so there's nothing really specific it needs to focus on. It can just create the brand kit based on Seed's aesthetics. And there it is, the brand kit. We can see a few colors, we can see the headings and paragraph, and then there's a description of this brand kit. So it's built around Seed's clean, nature meets science aesthetic with deep forest greens, warm off-whites. It picked fonts from the Google font library that matches the custom fonts. It mentions how the buttons are shaped, the white space, and so much more. And right here, when we click on Edit Design MD, we can see all the information it retrieved from this specific URL. So we can see all the colors, primary, background, foreground. We can see the typography, also the line height, the letter spacing. So it goes into a lot of detail for you to be able to create very nice on-brand pages. We see the fonts, we see the captions, spacing, radius, so how around certain things are. We can see the components such as buttons, secondary button, cards, and an overview of the colors and the identity of the store. Right now in this MD file, we can change anything we want. We can change the colors, we can change the fonts, we can change the font size from 48 to 46. It doesn't matter, we can change anything. And when we have changed something, we simply click on Save Changes and it's added to this brand kit and it's saved. Now, when the brand kit is set up, every single time we now prompt something, it will use this brand kit for the aesthetics of the layout. And right here, we can see that the brand kit is on. And by default, it will be on unless you turn it off. Also, if you want to create a new brand kit, you can simply ask the agent to create something new and it will do the whole process again. So that's it for brand intelligence. I hope you have a good understanding on how to set this up yourself and how this can really help you with creating beautiful layouts faster. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for more product updates.